Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2022 convert 1D array into 2D array, and in this we'll be given a 0 index 1D array, integer array origin, and two integers m and n, and we are tasked with creating a 2D array with m rows and n columns using all the elements from origin. And the elements from indices 0 to n minus 1 of the origin should form the first row of the constructed 2D array, and the elements from n to 2 into n minus 1 should form the second row of the constructed 2D array, and so on. Okay, so we have to return the m cross n 2D constructed 2D array constructed according to the above procedure, or an empty 2D array if it is impossible. So for example, in the not possible case, for example, if we are having the number of rows and the number of basically the total number of cells are greater than the length of the greater than or less than the length of the original, in that case it will fall. So for example, we are having a we have to form a 2 cross 2 matrix, so we'll be adding 1 and 2 into the first row, 3 and 4 in the second row. So this is what we have to do. Now let's start with the basic condition, that is if original dot length is not equal to number of cells, that is m cross n cross n will also work, but let's just maintain some standards. In that case I'll have to return an empty array. Now let's have a variable row and an iterator which is pointing towards the original array initially. Then while row is less than m, what I'll be doing is I'll be initializing for every row a column variable, and then while my column is less than n, what I'll be doing is I'll be setting that answer of row column is equal to original I plus plus, or let's just original at index, and then I'll be doing an index plus plus, as well as the column plus plus, incrementing the column. And when this while loop exits, I'll have to increment the row as well, and at the end I'll just return the answer array. Oh, okay, I forgot to form the answer array. So let's have an answer array, so that will be of size m cross n, new int m cross n. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, so new int. Now let's give it a run again, and it gets accepted. Okay, now let's submit it. Okay, and it gets accepted as well. Okay, so, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it. Thank you for watching.